In this video, we're going to look at dividing 3-digit numbers by 1-digit numbers, but a different method than the traditional method. We'll call this the area model method. I call it Miss Slider's way, and thank you, Miss Slider, for showing us this way. It's a very easy way that a lot of students like. This is not the same method shown in the Math Ready book, lesson 14. It's a little different. So I still want to go over the same steps that we used in the traditional. Divide, multiply, subtract. Instead of bring down, I've written bring up, and then we repeat those steps. Okay, I'm going to also use the same two problems that I used on the traditional. And this one I've already got started, so let's take a look. I draw a big rectangle. Maybe this is a little bigger than you'll want to draw when you do this, but to be able to see it, I've made it pretty big. And we put the divisor on the outside of the rectangle. We decide how many areas to divide based on how many digits are in the divisor. So there's 3 digits in this divisor. We'll break this area model up into 3 boxes. And each digit goes in the top right corner. Okay, now we actually begin dividing. We'll divide 5 into 9. In other words, we're looking for what 5 fact will get me close to 9, and it will be 5 times 1. So we put that answer on top, and then we multiply 1 times 5 is 5. Put it right here, subtract. Okay, so we just went through the steps of divide, multiply, subtract, and now we're on bring up. So we're going to bring this 4 up here, let it join the 7, and now we'll repeat. Divide 5 into 47. That will be 9. 9 times 5. Subtract. And bring up. Now repeat again. 5 will go into 22 4 times. 4 times 5. Subtract. And we stick our remainder right here. Okay, let's do this next problem. 336 divided by 6. Draw our rectangle. We know again we have 3 digits, so we'll break this apart into 3 boxes. Every digit goes in the top right corner, and now we start with 6 will go into 3. Well, 6 won't go into 3, so we can put a 0 and use the 0 times 6 fact. 0 times 6 is 0, and now this 3 joins this one. Okay, 6 will go into 33 5 times 6. And now 6 into 36. No remainder, so this is our quotient. And this was our answer here. This method can be very helpful if you're struggling with the traditional model. Now, the traditional model will probably always be my favorite because it's the way that will probably be used the most in your future in higher grades, but this is a very easy way if you need an alternative to the traditional model.